A very good morning, dear kids. Welcome to our English class. Last period we have learned about the poem, the people upstairs, and the reading comprehension. I hope you have understood this question answer. All of you have to learn the question answer. If anybody has doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Today we are going to learn vocabulary corner. Here, words as noun as verb and verbs. Let us see the words. See the example. I am going to write here sentence. We need a lot of practice. Next sentence. I will practice before the performance. In this sentence, see the words again. See the sentence again. We need a lot of practice. Second, I will practice before the performance. In this sentence, the first sentence I have circled here, practice, and in the next sentence I have underlined the practice verb. Both words same pronunciation but spelling is different, their functions also different. Okay, in this first sentence, see this spelling, practice. Practice. It is used as a noun in that sentence. See once again, we need a lot of practice. Practice means need to more exercise or doing practical. So practice, it is a noun. So I will write here noun. Next, I will practice before the performance. Here practice used as a verb. Practice means here doing action, or someone has to do the practice for the performance. It's used, this practice word, it is used as an action to show the action in this sentence. Let us continue the exercise. Question A. Read these sentences. Write if the underlined words are nouns or verbs. You have to write here verb or nouns as per the given underlined spelling. First, my teacher advised us to go to the playground. Here, underlined word is advise. It is the action word. It's called verb. Teacher has given the advice to go to the playground. So, advice, it is the verb. Function, it is as a verb. So, all of you have to write the answer here, verb. Next, thanks for your advice, Ravi. Ravi has given the advice to someone. So, he said to Ravi, thanks for your advice. Here, advice, it is the noun. So, advice work here or function, it is as a noun. Third, my mother devised a method to feed the cat. Devise means here, it is the action word. It means make a plan, arrange a plan. So, my mother arranged a plan, a method to feed the cat. Here it is the arrangement or action work as a verb. Here devise word functions as a verb. So we have to write here verb. Fourth, He liked to play with complex devices. He liked to play with complex devices. Here underline word is devices. It's a noun. Complex devices means here it is a electronic or mechanical part or device. So devices, it is a noun. So all of you have to write here noun. Fifth, Asha's driving license will expire in month. Here Asha's driving license, it is the license used as a or function, it is here noun. Last one, sixth number. There were license to sell ice cream at the shop. Here license use, it is action word or verb. This word is function as a verb. So write here verb in the blanks. License, it is shows the use here past tense. Some words use as a noun and verb. Did you understand, dear kids? Let us see if only phrases. Where to use, how to use the if only phrase. Here if only, it is the phrase we use in the poem. If only, it expresses a wish or a longing for something. It also implies a condition. It shows condition also. We can use if only as a wish or longing something. See the example. If only I had more pocket money, I would spend more in the canteen. If only I had another week, I would have prepared for this examination. If only my sister loved traveling, we would have gone on holidays every year. Let us complete the next exercise. B. Write two sentences using the phrase if only. If only I had wings, I would like to fly in the sky. Next sentence. If only I had brother, we would play together. All of you have to write the sentence in your textbook and complete it. If anybody has doubt, you can ask me. Okay, dear kids? See this carefully.